Hi, I'm Dr. Khushbu Vora, a faculty at Chetna's Institute of Management and Research. Today, we are going to talk about career opportunities in the finance domain and sector in India. The finance industry has really changed exponentially in India. The finance industry actually is broadly divided into three aspects. One is the banking sector in finance, then is the NBFC sector in finance, and the third, which is most upcoming, is the fintech sector. In all the three sectors today, a lot of changes has happened. Traditionally, I'm sure you remember, seeing the checks and taking the checks to the bank, depositing them. Today, I think with the NEFT and RTGS, in fact, because of the digital payments, we do not really feel the need for checks anymore. Maybe there'll come a time where due to cryptocurrency coming up, we might not even need the physical paper currency anymore. So that's the change that has happened in the banking sector over the years in India. With respect to NBFC sector, there were a lot of unorganized sector where, people wanted small money and they were going to. But today we are going forward where we have NBFCs for small housing finances, small finances, for factoring, for infrastructure financing, etc. And in all these sectors, the most important thing that prevails today is digitalization. Most of the things have become digitalized. You really don't have to step into that company or their offices to get your things done. Most of the paperwork gets digitally done. That's the leap we have gone through in India today. That's the growth we have seen in India today in these two sectors. And these two sectors, banking as well as NBFC, have grown only and only because of the growth in the third sector, that is fintech. The merger of finance and technology named fintech has led to such a huge growth of this sector. This sector grows around 15 to 20% yearly and therefore contributing to a large scale in the Indian economy's growth. Because this sector has grown so much, it does not give only career opportunities to finance aspirants. It is giving career opportunities obviously to other aspirants also, like marketing of these financial services for HR professionals, because these company also needs employees to do the work, for the IT and system background people, because unless system works, the company will not work. In this finance sector, banking is something where most of the people are already knowledgeable about. Then we'll today focus more on the NBFC sector and to a very large extent on the wealth management area. This is an ever-booming area and an area where a lot of growth opportunities are there and high potential for rise in your savings, in your money, in your salaries, etc. This sector is dominantly ruled by 2-3 well-known companies like Anand Rathi, Nuvama, ICICI Securities, BlackRock. And all these companies come to our campus at CIMR and recruit all of you, give placement to all of you. We have tuned our syllabuses and the finance curriculum in a way that what they do in their day-to-day activities, we teach you and prepare you for those roles right in advance. So your on-the-job training reduces. We teach you at Chetna's not only about the financial knowledge required to perform well in these roles, but we also attune you to the analytical skills required as well as the technology background. The finance knowledge with respect to how to read a balance sheet, how to analyze their calls, how to analyze their financial numbers, and so on and so forth. With the analytical skills, today we are helping you interpret the data, because data is something which is very, very critical, and that is the information and the need of the hour. That's the power today. In our analysis, right now, I think the major focus of our country should be to analyze the investor behavior along with the data. Every day, every minute, the investor behavior is changing. It's not about that everybody has started selling when the markets are weak. There is nothing called as panic selling nowadays. Most of the retail investors are also learned now. So investor behavior has become the crux. And this is one of the skills that you need to develop in you if you really want to excel in this sector, along with analysis. The last leg, which is the real thing that will take you up the ladder, is the technology, the data science, the tools, AI tools that are coming up like Python, Power BI, Tableau, etc. A mastery on all these, along with the financial knowledge and expertise, will give you the kickstart that you require for a career growth. We're proud to teach you all this not through only just classroom learning, but a lot of holistic learning where there is technical skills taught to you as well as soft skills taught to you through webinars, lectures, seminars, guest sessions, speakers from the industry coming, events like Arthanath, Fenopreneur, Nivesh Mela, etc. Therefore, I call all of you to start and click on this application link and please join Chetnas. I am really awaiting to teach all of you, see your smiling faces, grow with you and smile with you.